Online reselling.
If you're interested in clothing and sales, you might consider starting an online reseller business. Although it takes time, dedication, and an eye for fashion, you can start your business as a side hustle and turn it into a full-time resale business. You could start by using online store websites like Poshmark and Mercari to sell your unwanted clothing and items, then expand to your own resale website. Consider shopping estate sales and flea markets for hidden finds at a low cost, and then listing them for a profit online. You may be able to collect a substantial inventory of items that are in good shape for very little overhead if you're diligent enough and search the right places. Pet sitting. About 70% of U.S. families have a pet. When these families go away for extended periods, your pet sitting small business can give them peace of mind. As a pet sitter, you'll watch over your clients' dogs, cats, or other pets at their house. As part of the job, you'll need to feed them, give them water, play with them, and, with dogs, walk them as needed. To help keep clients satisfied, you'll need to regularly update them on how their pets are doing. If you have other sources of income that require nothing more than an internet connection and a laptop, pet sitting may be an especially apt small business idea. Almost all pet owners will be glad to let you work on your laptop while you spend time at their home with their pets, meaning that you can run two income streams simultaneously.
T-shirt printing.
If you have a sense of fashion or humor, you might enjoy launching a t-shirt printing business. You can also license someone else's designs and screen print them onto a blank tee. Either way, if you have space for a t-shirt printing setup, you can easily acquire the necessary tools to get started. Did you know? T-shirt printing can be a great e-commerce business. You can allow customers to place online orders and sell t-shirts in bulk. This way, you can sell to customers around the country, even the world. Cleaning service. If you like to clean, you can easily turn that into a business. With a few staff members, a host of cleaning supplies and transportation, you can offer cleaning services to homeowners, apartment complexes, and commercial properties. Most cleaning services charge $25 to $50 per hour. Cleaning services are straightforward businesses that require relatively little overhead. You simply need planning, dedication, and marketing to attract customers. If you're looking to differentiate yourself from other cleaning services, consider adding premium options like floor waxing or exterior power washing for an additional fee. These services could be the deciding factor between your new cleaning service and seasoned companies that maintain too large a client list to provide that level of cleaning. Online teaching. The demand for online education has opened up possibilities for entrepreneurs. Since this is an online venture, you can choose any subject you know about and teach a course regardless of location. If you don't have advanced knowledge in any particular subject, consider teaching English as a foreign language online to students overseas.